Vietnamese girl, may inamin tungkol kay Daniel Padilla. Pumalma ang isang babaeng Vietnamese, na siya ang naging dahilan ng hiwalayan ni Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla. Ang tinutukoy ng netizens ay si Minh Pho, isang Vietnamese na babae na isa umano sa mga dahilan, kung bakit nasira ang relasyon ng Katniel. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram account, itinanggi ni Minh Pho, na kilala rin sa social media bilang Emma, na mayroon siyang koneksyon at relasyon kay DJ. Totoo, nagkita at nag-usap sila ni Daniel sa bar ng kapatid niya sa Vietnam. Pero hanggang doon lang daw ang inabot ng kanilang pagkikita. Pahayag ni Emma, hindi pa rin tumitigil ang fans ng aktor sa panggigipit sa kanya, mula nang malingkang pangalan niya kay Daniel, at karamihan dito ay puro kanegan at kabastusan. Since last year, I have received a lot of messages from fans and supporters of Daniel Padilla, a famous actor in the Philippines. It is known that Daniel visited Vietnam last year with his friends. Prior to his visit in my country, I have never met him, simulang kwento ng dalaga. Patuloy pa niyang paliwanag, my brother owns the bar that Daniel went to. My brother told me that Daniel is there and I can say hi to him, because I know he is a famous actor. I saw Daniel and his friends in the bar, exchanged a few words, and then I went back home with my sister. That is the end of my interaction with him, pagkaklaro pa niya. Hiniling din niya sa mga netizens na itigil ang pagpapakalat ng maling impormasyon tungkol sa kanya at kay Daniel, at sinasabing wala siyang ginagawang masama. I know you guys love and appreciate your idol. I also feel the same to the artists I support, but please be civilized and polite. Please be a cultured person. You guys have threatened my life and my job, sent messages and spammed my family and friends. This is something I would not wish to happen to anyone. A lot of you guys think that I am someone important, but I want to ask the question, are you accusing me with no proof and all speculations? To be clear, I do not know who Johnny Moonlights is, and I do not care who he is either, sabi pa niya. Normal lang daw ang buhay niya noon, pero nagulo nga ito nang madamay siya sa breakup ni Kat at DJ. I am a common Vietnamese citizen. I work, hang out with my friends, meet people, and live my life normally. I hope you maintain dignity and respect when coming to my social media, and please do not act without thinking, pakiusap pa niya.